Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can raise $10 to $50 on Deriv. So if you don't have an account, start by creating one using the link in the description below. Here I just be using different strategies or different trading options. So the first one I'll try is matches and differs. So here I just enter $1 and risk it. Make sure you win more than you lose so that you'll cover it. So here on the matches and differs, if I just choose one number and then I say it differs 6 and then I just win that one, it is more likely to win that one, but I don't need less profit. So I just change this one and try and see the rise and fall. Let us see this one. So this one I just change the number of ticks first and then I just try to see it. So let us see, then I try to rise with it. Let me try to wait until it falls a little bit, then rise. So most of the time it might go back again to where it was. As you have seen, it is just it will fall and go just above where it was. So you see, let us wait and we go rise. So as you have seen, I just entered at a point that I was not supposed to enter. So you need to have a faster internet. My internet is a bit slow because I'm using Wi-Fi to trade with this one. I use data connection, but let us go to over and under. This one I can use it to raise a little bit faster than the other ones. So on this one, I just look at the numbers which have the less percentage. So like we have the 0, the 2, 3, that side has the less percentage. As you can see, we have the 9, 9, 9, that percentage. So I just wait for it to, that dot, this moving dot, to hit the other side, and then I will say under. Let me first go to 3 ticks and then I wait for it. So I just see whether I choose 4. Let's see, let's wait for it to go on the other side, and then my internet is very slow. Okay, that way. So let us wait and see. I lost that one. Let us try and see again. Just need it that way. So you need to be having a faster internet connection so that at least you'll be able to enter that market very fast. So let us wait for this one and see. You see, so I have at least recovered it. I try and get it to around $20 there, and then that will be it for this video. So I see the percentages are changing, so I just need to edit it, and then I see, so 2 ticks are a bit good. Let's see this one. So that way, as you have seen, we are moving in a good way. Let us wait for another one, just somewhere there. Let us wait. So you need to be patient when trading this because these percentages are changing. As you can see, the 9 has just moved. We only have 2 has 9, and then we also have 6 has 9. So I needed it to be on one side, but it has just moved that way. But at least we are moving somewhere. Let us wait and see another one. So this went wrong again. Let us wait for a nice signal. Okay, So the percentages have just moved to the center, which is very bad. It works best when these lower percentages are on one side. So you need to have at least 3 numbers which has low percentages on one side, and then you need to trade them. So I just raise my stake so that I move much faster. Okay, that way. Let's see what happens here. So that one, we got it. And remember guys, you need to have a faster internet. If you have an internet with a low latency, you will be entering this market slowly, and then it will be moving to the other side. So you can just change the ticks, the number of ticks, and then you can enter that market. So I just look for the last trade, and then I'll call it a day. So you also need to have your target. Just don't overtrade, because if you overtrade, these guys update the website. So that is it for today. As you have seen, I have just raised that balance to something, and just using $10, you can see you can also make $7, and tomorrow you can make more. So that is what you need to be doing. If you don't have an account, use the link in the description, and I have free bots in the description, so make sure to check them. Like this video, subscribe, and if you have a question, leave it in the comment section. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.